Yeah. Thick Berks.
They're McDonald's. Didn't that tell you how old they are?
Yeah.
After home.
Don't start.
After home.
I don't want to hear it. We're fighting about it. I don't know. I kind of thought maybe. Just because I don't want Ezra to bake.
Yeah. We just have to dig it up.
Where's your phone?
Oh, it's gonna be too late. It's gonna be too late.
Let him put the stuff in the trunk.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, what happened?
Fail! You fail!
I don't know, it's YouTube.
There you go.
God, Dad.
Okay. Hurry up.
It's YouTube.
Oh, no! We failed so bad. We failed so bad. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go.
Already know it. Solid talk. Solid talk. Don't it do it for me? Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay nay. Now watch me whip. Kill it. Watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay nay.
Alright, alright.
Watch me. Oh, watch me. Oh, watch me.
Yeah.
What's up, girl?
First things
First, I'm the realest.
Drop this and let the whole world feel
Get it.
And I'm selling the
Yeah.
like I'm giving lessons.
Yeah.
You should want a bad bitch.
Go ahead.
Drop it low, pick it up just like this.
Yeah.
Cup of goose, cup of Chris.
That's good.
On my wrist.
Elijah just totally got out of the car and peed. What the heck? Okay.
Your own weight around your offering.
Carry a baseball glove.
You gotta carry that.
I mean, I want you guys to see what this takes to take
Brad's down there with 2 coolers.
our big old family. Yeah, let's see if you can see me. Baby stuff, backpack. This is nuts, dude. Starting to eat some food for this girl. She doesn't like the water. Nope. She wants to go sit in her chair. Miss Princess. Hold her seashells. Look, and then there's Ezra. He's got sand all over him, huh? They're all sandy. So, they're all out there. Let's see, Lexi, Toby, Elijah, Brandon, Brad. Ezra does not like the sand on his feet. Or on his legs. Are you picking the sand off of everywhere? Another bite? Buddy. She doesn't want to go to the water. This guy's perfectly happy playing on his blanket. That's behind you. That's right there. These guys are friendly and...
Oh! Sorry. Get off of there. I think it's half and half though, right? Yeah.
I thought, like, I lost my whole thing.
Big boy.
Oh my gosh.
Big boy.
It's like a rat doll. Like, you're just going to do a cartwheel.
Elijah was naughty in the car, so this is his time out. Hi. Have you thought about what you've done?
No.
Allison De Laurentiis felt like.
Yeah.
Now go get all the sand washed off, huh?
I can't.
You got it, you got it.
You can do it. Muscles.
Woo!
Hey, Toot. Hey, girl. Hey. Kisses, kisses, kisses. Kisses, give me kisses. Give me kisses. Oh, she's watching now, huh? I like you. Hey, Tootie. Hi, baby. Hi. Who's out there? Who's out there? Who's out there? Who's out there? Elijah is getting all the sand out of his pocket. They're trying to see who can sit longest.
That getting knocked over.
Yeah.
Aubrey, where are we?
Dude.
We're to the beach. Jitterbugs asleep. Be nice.
These two over here. They're hecka cool.
Aubrey.
You can do that. This is our castle family. We have an octopus, a deformed whale, a turtle, another deformed whale, a deformed octopus, and a pretty beast castle with some seashell detailing. But yeah, that's our castle family. No.
The official timeout of the Winkle family.
He's pregnant.
Oh, he's a pregnant mermaid.
Boobies.
girl. Lexi, that's inappropriate.
Censored. I
Censored.
it.
You can show boobs, but not nipples. Yeah, show.
Well, we gotta make hair. Doing?
Oh no, listen.
What are you doing?
You missed it. She was sitting down, the wave came, and she crashed right over here.
Aww.
Are you eating sand? What are you doing? Do you like this sand?
Oh hey, oh hey. Hey there. Hey there, Delilah.
Ezra doesn't like it so much.
Yeah. Okay. I think she might have got it. Okay, you guys gotta move so your shadows aren't in it. Move, 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 move. I don't know if I got it. We'll hope. Abby. Do pictures. Pose, motto. They're all getting GQ with it. Say cheese! So wait, where's the bird? You said birdie, I don't see a birdie. Motto, cheese!
Aubrey. Hey, I'm gonna jump. Are you ready?
Oh gosh.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Not from there. Yeah, don't do it. You're...
No, I can make this.
No. You guys are gonna witness her breaking her leg. Okay, Elijah, let's see your moves. No cannonballs. Come on, jump.
You can make it. I can make it.
No, I don't want any ankles broken. Superman. Okay. No, I don't want it. No! Toby, don't do it.
In the outback, you would eat these.
Sushi. Don't get your towel wet, Boo Bear.
Guys are still out there.
Wait, ready, Auntie? 1, 2, 3.
Wanna vlog? You're vlogging.
You vlog? Judy. This place is hopping. You gonna vlog?
Say I'm vlogging. Put it down. Let me wipe your hands. Go for it.
I'm vlogging.
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 Show Toby. Show Toby.
I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
I'm vlogging, Toby.
I'm vlogging, Toby.
Tell Sissy. With your finger. Tell Sissy. Deliver Sissy.
I'm vlogging.
Tell Sissy.
I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
Oh, get your finger out there. You can see. Awesome. I'm vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
Alright, let's put it away. All done.
Well, dinner was good.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Mama, please. Alright, we're gonna say
Yeah,
goodnight.
if you're ever in the LA area, or what, Newport, is this
Newport.
right? Yeah, and you have never eaten Mama D's, you've got to go there. Mama D's and the pink sauce.
Yeah.
Pink sauce is.
It's a treat.
It's a little pricey.
It's pricey, so it's definitely just like a treat. Brad's on vacation. We didn't do anything else, so I was like, okay, we can treat ourselves to a nice dinner. So, but it
Hey,
is
Legend, knock it
worth
off.
every penny. They feed you like a true Italian would, and then they end the meal with hot chocolate chip cookies.
And the kids.
That's actually the first time I remember cookies.
Oh no, they had cookies last
And
time.
the kids get to pick from a
Treasure chest.
The kids get to pick from a treasure box, and they get a lollipop. So they get to pick one prize
Oh,
out
that's
of
cool.
the treasure chest and get a
Photo
lollipop.
shoot happening right now.
Really?
Yeah,
oh,
right in
there
front
is.
of you.
Look it. That's cool.
I don't think it's a photo shoot.
Oh no, it's just selfies. It's just selfies, but there's so many good photo ops of this place.
Yeah, we should like come down here and take family pictures.
I know, Auntie said we should come down actually like dressed up for pictures and then destroy ourselves, because we usually like go to the beach and then try to take pictures, and you know, we're just not as cute. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna say goodnight. We will see you guys tomorrow.
Mañana.
Love you.
Tomorrow, I love you.
Pronto.
Tomorrow, we're only.
Wait, show Mama D's.
There it is, Mama D's.
Newport.
That's it right
Newport.
there. The original Mama D's.
So good. So good.
There's more than one.
There's one.